you're wasting your snowball.
What are you doing there?
Snowball. Water droplet from your nose.
Monkey.
These are snowballs.
What you do?
The same color of your jacket.
What, pink?
Yes.
Your cheeks are pink.
You have rose.
Pocket full of change and a Greyhound ticket to the Silver State. And bright